struggling with prop firms? Let's go.
Hey guys, currently up 250. If this hits my 450, I've passed phase 1 on Ftmo. Put my trade at stop loss, I'll break even. I'm risking 0.5% to earn 450, but this is looking super juicy anyway, so I might even end this trade early just to. I'm going to be breaking down everything. I think it's going to keep on flying higher and higher. Gold's making all-time highs. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to get out of this. I'm out of this, guys. I've got a 1 to 6 live. On Ftmo, as you can see, it's an Ftmo account trading gold, coming back down, and I'm going to be showing you something regarding my history, guys. I'm up 8.4%. I was talking on a live group call with the students. If I just show you, by the way, I was just thinking of purchasing something new. But if I just minimize this, live trades, everything live, I provide unlimited one-to-one sessions. Winning trades. This is the elite mentorship program, you know, up to about almost 900 members, but I'll put that to the side. By the way, if you're interested in the one-to-one, guys, link will be in the video description. I want to show you something. This is trading gold, right? So look at this, caught a 1 to almost, this is a small 10k account. I'm practicing and refining this new method of way of trading gold, and you're going to see a lot of losses here. Right now I want to break this down. If I just put this down here, okay, let me just make this smaller so you can see more better. Okay, let's go through each one, and we're showing you the Ftmo version as well. Now currently, guys, if you see these majority of these losses, I'm only losing 0.5%, right? But I'm leveraging that 1 full percent, and when I enter with 1%, I, you know, instantly move my stop loss to half, because I've done the homework. I've got the back tested collected data. I know on average how much gold moves, and how, you know, and also how I can just push my stop loss in, you know, to pretty much halfway, where even if I lose the trade, I lose half, but when I win, guys, I capitalize on the big move itself. So I'm going to give you an example. If you look at this, if I'm only losing like almost 0.5%, 0.7%, 0.6%, but when I'm winning, guys, I'm earning that full 1 to 3. Some here, there's a 1 point, this is like a 3% trade. This is like a 6%, 6 RR trade, 1 to 3 RR, 1 to 4 RR, 1 to 5, 1 to 3 RR again, and here 1 to 4, 1 to 4. And why am I doing this, right? Why am I doing this, guys? This is how powerful risk management is. If I just bring this back down, why am I doing this? If I'm just aiming for that 2.5 RR, but if I'm risking 1%, right? And I'm, you know, if I lose half the trade, guys, I only lost 0.5%. When I lose half the trade, you know, it's like my risk management is on point. I'm losing less, winning more. Price only has to have to move a little bit. Why? I'm only looking for a 1 to 2.5 RR, but it's a gain of 1 to 5 risk to reward. That's you know, it also adds to my edge. The way, and the third one, gold moves insane. It's one of the most volatile, if not the most volatile currency pair trading instrument out there. So what's a 2.5 RR for gold, right? And that's why, you know, if I even show you, look at this. I want to show you something, guys, as well. I want to show you something. You see all these losses here? If you look at the times of these losses, if I just show you, because some of these are re-entries, so they're not like on different setups. I'm losing all these trades, no. And I'll just prove that to you right now. Look at this. This was at 4:43. I think there's a 2-hour difference. I'm in the UK. So if you look at the different in times, let me just see this one, 59, 57. So 4:57, 4:59, 2-minute difference. So this was a re-entry. So here, and I'm still working on this because I just want to know exactly where to enter from. If you look at this, guys, so you can exclude that loss. So there's a few of these losses that shouldn't even be there. So that would be more money. I mean, this definitely by far would have been a phase 1 past. Easy, guys. Yesterday was a 13% day. I was only able to capitalize on about 3.5%. Today I've gained another 5%. I want to show you Ftmo. Pretty much, I think it's 4.5 or 5%, something like that. Again, some of these losses here, guys. Why are they losses? Because let me show you Ftmo. Again, if I just show you the time again, they were re-entries. 11:24, 11:27. Of course, this, look at the difference. This is a bigger difference. So let me just see. Look here, 12:06, 12:08. So again, re-entries. I'm trying to refine this more and more now, where I don't have to take the re-entries. Excuse me. So I want to show you Ftmo, guys. Just one moment. Okay, it's just back again. I've just turned on the lights. I didn't realize, guys, the lights were turned off. Okay, so let me just show you something, guys. Just one moment. Let me just bring up the Ftmo account as well. So some of these losses, they're not even supposed to be here. What I'm trying to say now, it's all about risk management. And just one moment. Now I'm gonna refresh this small little 10k account that so far everyone says gold is this untamable beast. I just reload this. Okay, so currently consistency scores in the bad, right? Okay, but yeah, maybe it's just probably due to the re-entries, I don't know. Okay, look at this, guys. Oh, okay, I'm wrong. So 6% gained today, guys. 6%. I've taken a number of 50 trades, so I mean you could pretty much call it scalping now. 30% win rate. I'm losing, you know, 0.5%. On average I'm gaining, I'm aiming for a 1 to 5, which is 250. This is a small 10k account. Now if I just show you, now this is the beautiful thing. Now this is the beauty of this, right? If you look at this, guys, to catch this 1 to 3% trade, risking 0.5% is in a way it's a 1 to 6 RR. Let me just sort the camera out. Okay, 1 to 6, it's only taking me 3 minutes. The duration of the trade was 3 minutes. Now I love this, right? This is again, this is what I've always wanted. I normally, where I show my, you know, these trades that go on for hours and hours. Me personally, deep down, I didn't make it work for me. I'm a 700k funded trader. I didn't make it work for myself, but this is what I've always wanted. Low commissions. I mean, on my personal accounts, guys, you know, that's fine, but you know, the commissions and all that, and the, you know, spreads. But now I'm gonna be a gold trader now. I've just got a free 1 to 6 RR. I mean, these you know, you can see here, this 1 to 2 was 6 minutes long. This a little over 1 to 1. Did not, okay, these two trades I had exactly the same. There was, when the trade was running, guys, I just, you know, ended half of, I took partials, half of the trade, and it was, I think it was around 160. I took half the trade off, so it gave me 80, and then I took the remaining, and it was a 97. So in total this is actually a 180, a 1 to 3 RR. Now all these, but I mean, it shows though, right, how powerful, you know what the winner is, guys? The winner is risk management. You can have a 30% you know, win rate, and but if your risk management is perfect, is correct, you can just capitalize on this. I only need a 160 now. I don't look at it as money wise anymore. I only need 1.6%. I'm done for the day. Okay, so now I want to quickly go over, guys. I mean, if I didn't touch on this, right, it would be one of my, you know, typical kind of videos. But what I want to go over, guys, is here's a Euro USD example, zero spread, a beautiful pair. This is a live trade. I'm not in. I'm only trading gold right now. I took a few DJ positions in the morning today. Currently right now in the UK it's around 12 past 6, but this is one position I would look at, right? If I just show you, let me bring you the time frames up as well, because I mean, look at this, right? It's perfect straight away. Why would I take this position? Well, first of all, the levels have been broken, and if you look at this, this is a strong bullish candle. This is a super strong bullish candle. This candle here is more than enough for me to know, like, you know what, take the buy. This is live, right, guys? This is even back testing. This is live. So whether I win the trade or lose the trade, that's a different story. But you know, as you can see these positions over here, and these boxes, yellow ones I've marked, I put a few losses, but let's just say 10% drawdown. Let's chuck that in the mix as well, right? Let's just say we got already 10 losses. Let's make that much bigger. Okay, let's just leave that there. 10 losses. Yellow boxes are consolidation. This is something I avoid. I show in my one-to-one mentorship how to avoid this, and knowing when it's about to pretty much start as well. I mean, these trades here, 1 to 5, this is a 1 to 4, 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4. That one, this one, a 1 to 4, 1 to 4, and this one 1 to 9. Now I want to make this very clear, guys. I don't have the holy grail of trading, right? I just understand price action, right? Now how funny was that? As soon as I said I understand price action is turning bearish. But the point is, you gotta have the stomach as well to take losses. If you don't have that, it's never gonna win. You need to read the book as well, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. This trade now, look, I marked out the best possible key levels. Look at these Confluence candles here, right? Strong bullish candle, and I'll tell you what I mean. There's nothing left for me to do, right? Look at this. How strong is this candle? 98.85% candle strength in that bullish candle, right? Now I've seen that. I've got the break. Here's a huge break over here. Look at this. So let's go for this. What trend direction? Bullish. Huge volume in the bullish. You know, bullish momentum is really strong as well. It's not like it's a weak trend. It looks a pretty decent, you know, strong trend. That's Confluence too. Confluence 3, bullish candle here with the wicks at the bottom, you know, strong bullish candles, really strong bullish candles. Price pretty much comes down, taps into our zone, and you can just pretty much take your entry from that. I mean, even if I go to a much smaller time frame again, look at this, guys, you know, strong bullish candle, you know, and all it has to do now is pretty much just, what am I doing, just one moment, is break this level and we're in business, you know. Once if it breaks above, closes again with a strong bullish candle, I'm just going to hold on to it. It's just a confluence just to let the trade run. Simple as, very super simple. Just to also add, guys, this is not the exact break and retest method I show in my one-to-one mentorship. Mine is more refined. The entry method is different, you know, the way I draw the key levels is different. I don't know Euro USD right now, I don't know what's happening here right now, but it's just, you know, jolting up and down. But the method itself, trading, is a simple method, but only if you allow it to be. It's only going to be complicated, guys, if it's just the way you approach it, how you approach it. Just gonna, you know, leave it as that, super simple. I mean, even if you look at these, let's just break down, what's this one? Again guys, look at this, how powerful is this? This is why I'm 700k funded. Excuse me. Experience pays. Which candles? Right, I see the key level, right? What's my psychology right now? I'm looking at the candlesticks. I've got the monitor set up here, so if you do see me looking up here as well, guys, just bear with me. Sirens going off in the back, they know what the kind of value I'm providing. Strong bullish candle over here, a strong bullish candle, another strong bullish candle, right, another strong bullish candle, huge bullish volume momentum candle here. This is another strong bullish candle. Price comes down, taps into my zone. You could pretty much take the entry from here. Look at these long wick rejections, more confluences, guys, that this trade is, you know, not 100%. Anything can happen. You can have an A+ setup, everything in your favor, and still the trade could go against you. And still, you know, look at this, guys, beautiful. Look at these strong bullish, beautiful candles. Another entry here. Price keeps going. Now here, guys, look at this strong bullish candle. He's a perfect example. You can have everything going your way. If I would have taken the entry from this point, this would have been a losing trade. So what we're going to do, no cheating. I've lost the trade. But if I'm seeing these multiple rejections, like if I leave it like this, and then I'm seeing there's a beast of a candle in here, and it's this one. For this reason, I will take the entry. Why is this candle so powerful, right? I'm going to show you why. Look, we have drawn my key level. Look how perfectly the candle body of this long wick here, how perfectly this candle body is sat above the key level. This is why I put a huge emphasis on key levels, and it's very important you know how to draw them as well. This key level, I mean, it's insane how accurate this is. It's sat above the key level. You bet I'm going to take my entry after this candle is formed. You can take your entry from pretty much here. Goes into a little bit of drawdown in Euro USD. Everyone knows anyway, it's pretty much 1 or 0 spread. I would survive this, and then price just flies. Learn how to you know, learn price action, guys. Learn the Forex language, learn the candlestick patterns. If you want to, you know, and by the way, I don't work with beginners. If you are interested in the one-to-one session, guys, link will be in the video description. I post my winners, daily, losses, full transparency, everything. As so as my students, some of my students are 300k funded, 50k, 10k, you know, they even post payouts. Full transparency, guys. Become a part of a program that's, you know, engaged, you know, and it's all designed. I'm doing everything I possibly can. It's all designed to make you profitable. I hope this video is helpful, guys. A link will be in the video description. If you do want to hit me up directly one-to-one, take care, and I'm out.